Alright, we're going for not really the maiden, the second flight on the Starmax F-35 Blue Angel. It's got a good deal on it, Hobby King. It was, I think, $80. It's a ducted fan, 64mm, and it's got the tailerons, and right now they're connected to the ailerons. You can put separate servos and make it a 5-channel, but right now it's still basic. First flight was a disaster, went straight down, broke one of the horns on the wing, but we're going to go for a second flight.
I think that's out some power.
Sounds good. I've got the dual rate set really low, so it may not lift off the first time with the elevator set so low, but we're going to try it. Better too weak than too strong.
Get back here where I can get both of you in here. Well, it's up so far. I can't keep up with it. Right in the tree, and there goes a wing.
Oh, shit. I was gonna come in and turn it for a landing. Oh, it's demolished. It's gone. Pieces are everywhere. I should have flown it for the duration. I didn't think that was gonna be my only flight ever. It was so fun to fly, too. You need to be ready to catch it instead of YouTubing.
Oh, there it comes. Catch it.
Oh, it's not in too good a shape.
All right, go.
You can at least see the work I did. We got this is the damage. We got a little tree. It's pretty much looks shot to me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix this one. You can see the work I did in the cockpit though. I put a cool little semi-scale cockpit. Man, that was fun while it lasted.